Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Adobe Fonts in Microsoft Word. Let's begin. First, go to the Adobe Fonts website and choose the font you want to use. Once you find a font you like, click on the Add Family button. This will activate all the styles of that font, such as regular, bold, italic, and other variations. After you do this, the fonts will be added to your Adobe account. Next, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. In the top right corner of the app, click on the Fonts icon. Here you will see the font family that you just added from the Adobe Fonts website. Next to the font, you can click Install to install a single style, or you can choose Install Family if you want to install all styles at once. Once the font is installed, it will automatically become available in other applications on your computer, including Microsoft Word. Now, open Microsoft Word and select any text in your document. Go to the Font section in the toolbar at the top and search for the font you installed. If the font does not appear right away, it may be because Microsoft Word was already open while the font was being installed. In that case, simply close Word completely and then open it again. After reopening Microsoft Word, select your text again, go back to the font menu, and search for the font name. This time, the Adobe font should appear in the list. Click on the font to apply to your text, and that's how you can use Adobe Fonts in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.